So we are going to look at Google Calendar. This is a very powerful tool for teachers and colleagues to manage schedules, coordinate events, and enhance communication. So we're going to go by step and give instructions along with the features that I think would be beneficial. So if you just go here into a simple Google search, we're going to put Google Calendar. There's multiple ways you could get into your calendar, but this is what we're going to do. You can sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you can create one for free. And so now we're going to just familiarize ourselves with the calendar interface, including like the main view here, the date navigation. So here's the date navigation, March 2024. This is the whole month. You can go forward in time. You can go backwards by any year. It goes all the way back to, I'm sure, my birthday if we wanted to, but we're not. You can also go right here and click today, and it'll take you right to today's date. You can look over here in the upper right hand corner and decide that you want to see your calendar by day. You'd like to see it by week, month, year. You want to see your whole schedule, anything that is scheduled. 4 days. I usually like to look at it by week, but right now we are in month and that is fine. Over here on the left side, lower left side, you'll see all your calendars listed. And right now we are going to create an event. And so we would want to go to create and choose in the drop down menu, we're going to choose event. You could choose task or appointment schedule. So we're going to add an event. We're going to add the student wellness event. And we are going to schedule this for, you have the choice of all day. You have the choice of changing the time zone. Does it repeat? Does it not repeat? And we are going to schedule this for next month. So we're going to go into April. Say April 15th works. Like I said, we're going to say that it is from what time? I think 12 to 1 works for me. If we wanted to do all day, we'd click all day, but we do not. Does the event repeat daily, weekly, on Mondays, monthly on the third Monday, annually on April 15th, every weekday, Monday through Friday, or you can customize this, which is awesome. You could repeat twice a week, or 2 days, I'm sorry, and it never ends. Repeat every 2 days. It never ends. You don't want to take it off. Or you can put a date from which should start and the date for which it could end. Say you wanted, it was a 30 occurrences and then it was over. So there's so many different ways that you can schedule and arrange this. It's really limitless. We're going to go down here and you're going to add your guests if you are want to invite them to this event, or say that it's a Google Meet, which we're not going to get into, but you would add your guest via email and they would be able to access the Google Meet video. We're going to add a location. Where is it? Where is our student wellness event? So that people know where they can go, or where to access this event when you send the invite out. We can add a description and explain what the wellness event is going to entail, and then we would save. So there you see it. It's on my calendar. 12, sorry, a.m. I don't want 12 a.m. I want to edit this. And so right here, you would click edit event, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to change that to 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. and save, and you'll see it'll say this event. If you had scheduled it to reoccur, it would say this and following events. You could click that, or all events. I'm going to click this event because that's all that I have. And there you go, 12 p.m. student wellness. It's scheduled. So you also want to make sure that it is scheduled to the appropriate calendar. It is currently on my Nicole Ray calendar, but I made a mistake and I would like it to be on my mental health support calendar. So I'm going to go in here and click here where it says calendar, right? Up first, we got to edit. Click here where it says calendar. It's on my Nicole Ray calendar. I want to change it to my mental health support calendar. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to click save. And as you see, it has been updated and saved to 12 p.m. on my student wellness event is on my mental health support calendar now. So if we want to add reminders and notifications to receive alerts about this, we'd go back in. I'm going to select edit again. And let me see. I want to add alerts. Most of the time it's just listed down here, but I do not see it. Interesting. More actions. I just go here to add notification. So say I want to be reminded a day before the event. I would do that. If I want to add another one, say 10 minutes before the event, I would do that, which may be very helpful. If I want to share my calendar, I'm going to, let me save this event. I'm going to go out here and I'm going to go to the gear icon in the top right corner here. You'll see the gear icon and you're going to click on that, and under settings, you want to go here, settings for my calendars. You want to choose the calendar that you want to share. I'm going to say my mental health supports calendar. Okay, and then I want to choose access and set sharing settings. Share with specific people or groups. So share with specific people or groups, and I would add a person via, put their email in. I could get a shareable link and email it to them. And also I can create, multiple calendars. As you see, I've got a nice selection over here, and you can color code your calendars so it's easy to visualize. Right here, I chose brown for mental health support. Mental health supports. I think I might decide that I want to change it to blue because blue is very soothing and reminds me of mental health. So we did that. We want to schedule appointments and meetings. We can use create appointments, schedule, and we can schedule appointments and meetings that way and kind of block out our calendar. And we can add a guest to that as well. And now, if we want to access Google Calendar on mobile devices, we would just download the Google Calendar app to our mobile device, and then we could access all our calendars and these notifications on the go. So I really feel like this is integrated into Google, the Google interface and all the other Google tools. Um, if I have something, I got a date or something I was invited to in my email, I could sync it to my calendar. I think this is very efficient time management. Google Calendars help teachers manage their class schedules, their lesson plans, and allocate time effectively. It really is great for collaboration as far as colleagues can share calendars for collaborative planning, make it easy to coordinate meetings and events. Communication is made simpler by, integrated with email, and it allows teachers to seamlessly schedule and attend virtual meetings and communicate about upcoming events. Parent teacher communication. Teachers can share class events or schedules with parents so that it fosters better communication and involvement. I mean, the benefits to the students and the families, homework, exam schedules, school events, reminders. Teachers can set reminders, important dates, helping students and families stay organized. By utilizing Google Calendar effectively, teachers and colleagues can enhance productivity, collaboration, and communication with the school community. This is a wonderful tool to use, and I could not live without it. I hope that you've enjoyed this. Just if you open it up, play around with it. There's so many things that you can do with Google Calendars, and I hope that you enjoyed this step by step instruction. Thank you so much.